Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix connection failed issue in Blue Protocol Star Resonance game on PC. So if you are also into the same issue, then go through the methods discussed in this video. So the very first method is to restart your system. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After restarting, check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to check server status. So before you go to any other methods, you should verify if the servers are offline for maintenance. You have to check the official website of Star Resonance or follow its social media for any update of the server downtime. If there is any server downtime, you have to wait for some time and again check if the issue is fixed. Next method is to check and update the game. So if there is any update available for the game, you can go and check it. For that, go to the library section on Epic Games, then select your game, click on three dot icon over here and then click on manage, and then check if there is any update available, or if there is any update, you have to update your game, and after updating, then check if the problem is resolved. Next solution is to reset internet using command prompt. So for that, go to the Windows search for command prompt. Now here you have to enter all these commands one by one that I have already provided in the description. You can easily get these commands in the description. Just copy it and paste it in the command prompt, and then proceed ahead. So I will show you. Copy the next command and paste it and then press enter. So just copy the next command and press enter, and finally copy this command and then press enter. So after this, check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now click on Windows Security or search for Windows Security. Now click on Firewall and Network Protection, then click on Allow an app through firewall. Now click on Change Settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, that is Blue Protocol Star Resonance. Here is the game. You have to select it and make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. But if it is not listed over here, you have to click on Allow another app, then click on Browse, and then go to the game folder where it has been installed. Select the game application, add it to the list. After adding it, do the same thing. Tick mark on both private and public and click on OK. After that, check if the problem is resolved or not. Next is to disable antivirus or program or firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search over here, search for Windows Security. Now click on virus and threat protection, then go below, click on manage settings, and here real-time protection is off. Here you have to turn it off if it is turned on, and then again go to the Windows search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in private network settings as well as in public network settings, and after that click on OK, and then check if the issue is resolved. If it doesn't resolve, again come back, select turn on Windows Defender Firewall and in the public as well as private network, and then click on OK, and after that again check if the issue is fixed or not. Next method is to optimize in-game settings. So here you are suggested to disable anti-aliasing, set texture quality to medium, and also limit the FPS to match your monitor's refresh rate, that is 60 FPS or 60 Hz, and also suggested to enable low latency mode if it's available. So by following these methods, you can easily fix connection failed issue in Blue Protocol Star Resonance game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.